Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Genius Insights. Today, we're exploring the fields of artificial intelligence, unraveling how to harness its power in the most effective way possible. I'm Lucas, and if you're ready to elevate your AI game, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The first key to effective AI usage is understanding your objectives. Clearly define what you want to achieve with AI, whether it's automating tasks, improving decision-making, or enhancing user experiences. This clarity sets the foundation for a successful AI strategy. Data is the lifeblood of AI. Ensure you have quality, relevant data for your AI models. Invest time in data cleaning, pre-processing, and augmentation to maximize the accuracy and reliability of your AI applications. Remember, the better the data, the more powerful your AI. Selecting the right AI tools is crucial. Whether it's machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch, natural language processing tools, or AI platforms like Azure or AWS, choose tools that align with your objectives and skill set. This sets the stage for effective implementation. One of AI's strengths is automation. Identify repetitive and time-consuming tasks that can be automated using AI. This not only frees up valuable human resources but also ensures efficiency and consistency in your operations. From data entry to customer support, automation is a game changer. The AI landscape is dynamic, with constant advancements and updates. Embrace a culture of continuous learning. Stay informed about the latest AI trends, attend conferences, and engage with the AI community. This adaptability ensures that your AI strategies remain cutting-edge and effective. Break down silos within your organization. Collaborate across teams to ensure a holistic approach to AI implementation. Input from diverse perspectives enhances the effectiveness of your AI applications, leading to more robust and comprehensive solutions. Ethics should be at the forefront of your AI strategy. Ensure your AI applications are developed and deployed ethically, avoiding biases and ensuring fairness. Transparency in AI processes builds trust with users and stakeholders, contributing to the effectiveness of your AI initiatives. Implement robust monitoring systems for your AI applications. Regularly assess performance, identify issues, and optimize your models accordingly. This iterative process ensures that your AI remains effective and aligned with your objectives. Thanks for joining us today on how to use AI effectively. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. Stay focused, unlock your full potential, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment this video. This was Genius Insights again. See you soon.